How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hidden opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort while leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits. Read our guide now. So hey guys, and welcome in this video. I'll show you how you can earn money using Outlier.ea. So first of all, I have to do is open my browser and dive into Outlier.ea. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various things to know it. But before, what is Outlier? Outlier is a data analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within businesses' data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve customer experience and drive business growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshift, allowing for comprehensive analysis across multiple datasets. Key features include automatic anomaly detection, multi-source integration, and data visualization tools. So, first of all, here we have how you can log in. We have also heard something about the question that you want to know about this Outlier.ea. So you click over login. So as you can see, this is the home page. You can just write your email address and your password, and you find your account that you already signed with it. Then if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up and you write your personal information, and then you start with Outlier.ea. So if you come back here, we have your opportunities. So I will show you how much jobs are here. So we have here 105 jobs. You can just click go for the one you want and you can start with it. So to make money using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform's powerful EA-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision making. First, by analyzing sales trend and customer behavior, Adler can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operations by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the costs associated with overstocking or stockout. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses and identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing business to take proactive measures to retain customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea supports data-driven decision-making, ensuring that businesses' strategies are informed by accurate, real-time data and ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. We have the last one here, pharmacy also spaces. You can just click over the one you are and then you find your job. So here we have ship you the next generation of EA with your expertise. We have a get paid training cutting edge EA on your own schedule. We have here 40,000 experts. We have here 100 million paid out, and we have here 3.4 million assignments. And if you scroll down, we have here share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. So we have the first thing, it's share your knowledge. Everyone's an expert at something. Share your expertise and help make AI model more human. Then we have connect with fellow experts. Join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain. Then we have get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. Then if you scroll down, we have your join a community of innovators. Our EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to creative writing. We have the first thing here, generalist, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and more than 30 other experts domains. If we scroll down, we have here building great EA is craft. EA training is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. You have the first thing here is rating and ranking. Rating or ranking assignments ask contributors to identify the best model responses out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. Then we have open rewrite here. With an open rewrite assignment, experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an EA model to expand upon. These prompts can vary widely depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Writing prompts can be simple sentences, questions, or descriptions meant to elicit a response from the EA model. Then we have the last thing, it's multimodal. Multimodal assignments help train models generate and classify information from multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or a description based on visual content. And if you scroll down, we have also other things here, like some comments here for people that already used Outlier.ea as a job. Here we have some facts like about Outlier, so you can just read it to more understand. We have here what is Outlier? Outlier is a platform that connects subject matter experts to help build the world's most advanced generative EA. Then we have here how you can get started. What does the onboarding process look like? Will I get paid for the onboarding process? How long does the onboarding take? What is the purpose of others onboarding? Then we have qualification. What qualifications do I need? What is your selection process here? Can I bring some friends too? And we have here about payment. How much will I be paid? How will I be paid? Are there opportunities to earn more? Then we have here hours here also. And then making money on Outlaw EA involves participating in projects that help train and refine EA models. Contributors work as independent contractors and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedule. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the tasks, your qualification, and your performance. Payment is typically made weekly via PayPal or other methods. Additionally, some projects may offer rewards for completing onboarding programs or for exceptional performance, which can increase in ratings. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. And also, you have to read this information to get started. Also, you click over term of use and community guidelines, privacy policy, and also working location policy, cookies policy, data processing. So you click over the one you want to know, and then you know more information. Then you start your job with choose your job, and here you have a job. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.